Have you ever felt like you're doing all the right things? Going to church,
praying, trying to stay strong in your faith, yet somehow, God still feels distant. What if I told you it's not about doing more, but about where you're doing it from? Stick with me, because by the end of this video, I'm going to share one powerful principle that could completely shift how you experience God, not just on Sundays, but every moment of your life. And no, it's not what you think. I remember a season in my life where I was doing all the right things, reading the Word, serving in ministry, leading prayers, but still, there was this emptiness, like I was in the house of God, but not in the presence of God. Have you ever been there? Let me know in the comments. I'm not the only one, right? That's when God revealed something to me that changed everything. He whispered, "You've invited me into your schedule, but not into your space." In Exodus 25:8, God said something profound. "Then have them make a sanctuary for me, and I will dwell among them." God doesn't just want a visit, He wants a dwelling place. A space in your life where He is welcomed, honored, and made at home. And no, this isn't about building a physical altar. I'm going to show you in a moment how you can create a dwelling place for God, even in the middle of your busy schedule. Don't miss this part, it's where the transformation happens. Here are 3 simple but powerful ways to create space for God's presence in your life. But don't just hear them, wait for the 3rd one. Most people overlook it, yet it's the one that truly unlocks God's nearness. Sometimes we can't hear God not because He's silent, but because we're distracted. Create moments of stillness. No music, no phone, no to-do list, just stillness. Even 5 minutes can shift your entire spiritual atmosphere. This may sound strange, but designate a physical space in your home for God. It doesn't have to be fancy, just intentional. A chair, a corner, a room. Let that place become holy ground through prayer, worship, and daily encounter. Now here's the part most people miss. God doesn't dwell in moments. He dwells in patterns. It's not just a morning devotion, it's a lifestyle of invitation. Before you scroll your phone, invite Him. Before you eat, thank Him. Before you speak, ask Him. Before you move, seek Him. When you make hosting God a daily rhythm, He makes you His dwelling place. That's the secret right there. You may have been searching for a breakthrough, peace, clarity, but you've been looking in the outer courts. God is calling you deeper. He wants to dwell with you, not as a visitor, but as a resident. And when He does, everything changes: your peace, your power, your purpose. If this stirred something in you, don't let it end here. Drop a comment saying, "I will make room," and let's pray together this week. Don't just seek God's hand, seek His heart. And when you make room for Him, He'll fill every room in your life.